When turned on, the parasitic static current of the 12V USB output is 17 mA under 12V voltage, which is lower than most similar products. In a car, this is equivalent to a wireless remote control and window regulator, which usually don't put too much pressure on the car battery. Additionally, the static current after turning off is close to 0 mA. The default state of the 12V USB socket switch is on. It automatically turns on when the car starts, making it more convenient to use as it doesn't need to be pressed again after turning on.